It's super cold here in the Midwest, go figure. So we're gonna start up some trucks here. We got the LML Denali over here. Gonna start this one up, try to anyways, and then we're gonna go get Ovi's 6.0 out, and as the video progresses, it's gonna make a lot more sense, but yeah, we're just out here in the cold, making content for you guys, enjoying everything diesel related, but let's try to get this sucker started. Guys, again, this truck is for sale. If you're interested at all, hit me up. If you bring your own wheels and tires, I'll cut you a heck of a deal, because that is the most expensive thing that I put on there, other than all the power under the hood. The previous owner put about 28 grand into this thing, so this thing absolutely rips. But I might even put the tailgate back on. I got a tailgate handle here, cheap off of Amazon, but again, I am trying to get rid of this for a new project going into this year. Love this truck, but yeah, there's a time and place for everything. So let's set this camera down and try to start it up. Oh yeah, like nothing. She fired right up, didn't she? Little hesitation, been sitting for a couple weeks, but anyways, she starts up and sounds amazing. We're gonna get in the LML and go to the car wash and kick off today's video. I mean, you guys see what I'm saying? If you're anywhere near the Midwest, you guys already know that crazy salt stuff they put on the roads is just awful for your truck. Changes the entire paint color of everything in the negative way. And yeah, just trying to keep it clean, but gosh darn it, it is hard. All right, so yeah, it's definitely clean now, but pretty much the entire truck just instantly turned into ice before I could even wipe it down. But still, I'll take ice over salt any day. Obviously cleaned up a lot better. If you guys are wondering about the TIS tires that we put on this truck, man, have they been great. And the little bit of snow we've had so far this year, very, very happy with the tread and the traction that these things have been providing. But at least we got the truck cleaned up here. I gotta show you one thing where my heart just kind of fell to the floor. We got our first chip due to rust. Oh my gosh, that just hurt. All right, so we are back on the road down to the shop here now to see Ovi. I do apologize if I'm talking a lot in this video. There's just a lot going on my mind that I'm bringing to you guys here today. But one thing I do want to bring up is, number one, there's no intros now on the channel going forward. We're taking all that stuff out and we're going to get right into the content these days. I feel like that's kind of the natural progression for YouTubers, is once you get going, you know, the intros are cool when you first start and you're trying to tell people what you're all about. But now that we have a little bit of a following here, you guys understand what we're doing. You tune in week after week. So we'll cut that out for you. That'll help out some. And then also, Ovi does not want to have the shop on there a whole lot. We want to keep our professional lives out of the videos and get back to just having fun. So totally respect that. That is super cool. So we won't be showing off the logos and all the stuff with the shop. We love the support down there. I think it's really great because then we can just focus on the fun stuff. But I did just want to let you guys know that. And before we get into it, guys, Ovi's truck is finally down to take care of that tire. That thing was in such bad shape. It was one of these, so he is gonna get these replaced finally. And it is nice and warm in here. It is so cold out. I know we're gonna get to the 6-liter stuff. Just hold on, guys. I just wanna give a really big shout out to Blessed Performance. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. I caught wind of them from Clayton Freed, if you guys remember Whistling Diesel's old cameraman, the one that says idiot all the time. Guys, funny as heck, love watching his videos on YouTube. Ever since he linked up with Blessed Performance, I've been following them, and well, they sent us a goodie bag here, so you guys make sure to check them out. Check out their website. They have a lot of cool stuff for all the platforms, but especially the 6.0 Powerstroke platform. They got their in-house custom tuning. They got some really cool under the hood parts. They got some cool air deflectors and also some really sick wire looms. If you guys see, they got some cool install videos and just all the colors to dress up your 6.0. The one we're gonna play around with today is not so nice, but it is just a fun truck to rip around in. But yeah, we're gonna see what they sent over, and then we're gonna continue on with the fun here today. All right, we got everybody around here today, and just so happened Brad shows up just when it's unboxing time.
Best time.
Could you just sense that we were gonna do something here today, or what?
I knew something was happening. I pulled up, and my boy YouTube Joe's here, so.
It was just totally unscripted. I know you guys aren't gonna believe us, but Ovi's ready. We got a box here from our buddies down at Blessed Performance, hooking us up with a goodie box. Super excited for this because these guys are absolutely awesome if you guys haven't heard of them. So we're gonna see what they got us here and try to get some of these products here on the channel. But yeah, we got an audience. So Brad, if you would, buddy, let's open it up. That knife certified? That one of them safety knives?
Oh, Ovi drags it across the concrete every chance he gets.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's not very sharp
That's
anymore.
why it ain't opening. Okay, I got you, buddy.
Yeah, alright, what do we got?
Oh, shoot, dude. We got
Stickers?
some good stuff
That's the
in
best
there.
part.
Oh, yeah. They're going to go on the toolbox, ain't they? Look at that. Oh, we got a toolbox down there? Probably at the other shop.
Oh, we got a white one
we got
for you,
stuff
too.
falling all over the place. Is it? Oh, I need that one at home.
You gotta throw that in the truck.
Yeah, you couldn't you? What we got going on there?
Got yourself a new hat?
Oh, shoot, look at that.
Slick!
Black smoke matters. Yes, it does. What you got there?
A little air freshener? Not bad.
Yeah, we need to put that in the 6.0. That thing probably reeks.
That stinks.
Does it stink or what? No, we'll put it in there anyway.
More stickers?
Oh, yeah. Gosh,
Can't have enough stickers. You gotta throw those on everything.
What's that bad boy right there?
Oh, that's a banner.
Oh, shoot, son. I'm going to have to get back to get that in the shot. Oh, God.
Let's see which way it opens.
Look at that. That was really nice.
Built, not bought.
That's right. Nothing around here.
We should get that for Pepper.
You know, the only thing, I buy everything. I don't build anything. Yeah, that's for you guys to do, especially this guy over here. He builds so much, he had to sit down.
It's in your colors, too.
Dude, that's perfect. That's going to look good over at the other shop.
It will look good. All right.
Yeah, all right. Well, we're going to give that to him. He needs that. It's Christmas time
second
here.
Christmas.
Yeah, I know. I'll put it under the tree when I go over there next. Oh, a pen. Oh, gosh. We're going to sign some checks, boy. That's for the paychecks. There you go. That's perfect.
All right, we want to guess what this is? I'm going to go with the tumbler. Yep.
Dang, look at you go. It's almost like you knew what's going on. Did you send us this? No.
No, I wouldn't have shown up.
Oh, boy. What color is it? Oh, and it's white. Dude, that's super sick.
Dang.
Yeah.
There's coffee in that in the morning?
Oh, there's a coffee machine right there. Does that work? Oh, gosh, no. No. We're going to have to put something good in there.
Shoot nitrous, not heroin.
Okay. He thought it would. Oh, my God. Yes, it really does. Hashtag that.
These guys party.
Oh, what's up here? Oh, God.
Ooh, big old hoodie.
Good stuff there.
All right.
Oh, man, and they got
just your size.
Just my size, buddy. Oh, that's
hold
perfect.
it up for you.
Yeah, that'll do just well. Ovi's still dying over the heroin over there.
What we got here?
Oh, diesel is the cure. Oh, that is sick right there. I like that. Yeah, I should have thrown that on for the video. Shoot.
Good.
Dang, boy. It is way too good around here. What's that, a little travel bag or something?
I don't know.
Go to the gym. Oh, yeah, there it is. You can hit them up right there. Look at that. They're doing the work for me.
Got the whole plug right
and
there.
You got to put it on the screen.
All right, what else? New gym bag for Joe.
Oh, yeah. I actually have to start going to the gym again.
Yeah, I heard you weighed in a little heavy today.
Yeah, I sure did. What's that, an XL?
Another XL for you?
Well, you're going to have to throw it in the wash there, buddy, but it'll work. I know you're normally a large, but just dry it a couple times. She'll give.
Another diesel is the cure?
Oh, it's always the cure, buddy. Oh, that is great.
If you ain't dieseling, then you ain't, you ain't
You
curing.
just ain't
That's
right.
for sure.
Boy, that is what's up.
I think we got more in here, though.
Do we?
I think it's the best part. More. Oh, another air freshener.
Oh, good.
Put that in Ovi's truck. That thing be stinking, too.
Oh, I know. We're going to have to get it in all the trucks down
we
here.
We got to tie this around Ovi's ankle and put stinking down.
That's it. All right. Well, that was great, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem.
We appreciate them guys, don't we?
Yeah, blessed performance. I'm going to have to hit them up.
Yeah,
see
you're going to have to, man.
See what else they got.
Yep, I agree. All right, so as long as this isn't the transmission that goes in this 6-liter, we're going to take Ovi's out for a spin. He just got done telling us, too, now he don't want to sell it, does he?
No, he doesn't.
No, he said it's a ripper, so we're going to go out and try to see if that's the case. Let me get around and see if it'll start up first and foremost. Oh, there it is. Oh, like nothing. Oh, that sucker sounds good. Yeah, you just... There's that howl we like. Oh, dang. Well, I'll blur it out, but apparently the truck is not sold, but it's getting traded for exactly what Ovi was showing us on the camera there. I still hate to see it go, because this is one sweet unit. We're gonna do one last drive in it then. The deal's in progress.
It ain't happening.
It ain't happening. I hope not, because I like this sucker.
I've heard that one too many times.
Let's get up in here, boy. Oh yeah, look at this. You got it cleaned up, man. Yeah, it sounds good running out here. Everybody loves a good 6-liter. Everybody does. So we'll go ahead. I'll switch over to the other side. Brady can drive this sucker and take it around the block and just have a little fun with the old 6-liter down here at the shop. All right, so we are loaded up here. We're gonna back on out. Try to not hit anything. Oh, it beeps a little bit.
Yeah, that's my seatbelt. Can't really get out of the truck if something goes wrong if your seatbelt's on, so this thing sets on fire.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to put it out and get it on the trailer to take that trade.
Now don't hit the black one over there, because that sucker's got to get me home, boy.
Yeah, I feel that.
Ooh, she sounds good.
Get up to 10 a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Don't listen to that all day?
No, heck no.
Yeah, tranny's still in it, so that's good.
Well, we built the trans, I think. Or maybe he didn't.
Oh, well.
Well, I'm sure he gave it a once over, but
Yeah.
how many clicks is it going to take?
I don't know, I was gonna say. We should probably put that on the listing.
I would, yeah. Again, we don't know if this is for sale or not, for trade or not, or for Ovi or not, but, you know, it changes from minute to minute around here, so that's no reason we can't have fun for now.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, they just sound so good, man.
Yeah,
It's just
buy
classic.
No? Give me a deal.
I think he should. I want it for sure. I got no room. I'm already trying to get rid of one, but oh yeah.
Sure, there's like a back road back here, you know.
I don't know. I didn't spend much time back here. Oh yeah, a little guardrail action. Beautiful day for a cruise, though. I tell you what, the sun's out for once this winter. I don't know. All right, we're gonna make sure it works here, so we are going. Oh, building some boost. Oh, it's bumping a little bit. She didn't do too bad. Yeah! 6 liters really can do 6-liter things.
Yeah, I guess so.
I guess so. I stand corrected, folks. Still a GM fan, though, but that's all right. This thing ain't bad. Let's try one more for him here, boy. Jeez, yeah, just kind of lets off and right back to school.
Yeah, run past this car, give him a nod, hello.
Yeah.
Don't mind us.
Hey, that reminds me, we got to fix the skid loader. I've been on him about that.
Yeah, it reminds me.
I got some projects for it. Oh boy, who left them skids there?
Wasn't us.
No. Oh yeah. Freezing, sheesh. Well, Ove, we do like the truck a lot, buddy. Did a great job on it. We think it just might need some Blessed Performance tunes. What do you think?
Yeah, it definitely needs turned up a little bit.
Yeah.
Or some different tires. These things are just too big for my liking, you know? Like,
Yeah,
like
I know.
squeal them, like spin them.
Yeah.
Can't do it.
And she just didn't want to do it too much. And what a freaking riot that was. Just getting the old 6.0 out and having fun. I'm sure you guys love 6.0s as much as we do. They're just classics. They have a lot of capabilities and they just sound so sweet. That was a lot of fun hanging with the guys down here at the shop. That's what we do it for. Again, we're going to be spending a lot more time over at Ovi's personal shop going forward. So you guys can check us over there in the next one. Be sure to check out Blessed Performance. And I can't thank those guys enough for rocking with us little guys here with big dreams, big visions, and just gonna have fun continuing here in the future. So be sure to subscribe and stick around for the next one. God bless you all. Peace. Oh shoot, we got the big 6.7 out here today. Brady wanted to make sure that we got a good shot of the Razor out here because as you guys know, we love Razors out here and we have a lot of fun on the channel with our Razors. Probably gonna get some stuff done to it here, so stay tuned on the channel for more Razor content as well. But brr, it's cold out. We gotta get back inside, boy. And focus in, camera. There we go. We are back down at OTR2. We are doing it all today. We got Ovi's tires. He said, why don't you just go drop that off for me? So, you know, if we can help him out, we will. Oh my gosh. That is a bad deal there. And we got my old tires that were on this truck before the TISs. That way OTR can get us back on the road, at least for now, till he gets a good set of these back on here. But let's see. I don't even know if they're open today. All right, it's in there and secured. You guys already know Hunter's gonna take good care of us again like he did with the TISs here. So Ove, it'll be ready in just a couple days, buddy.